In this video, you will understand the basic HUBNSUB steps to build your first startup game, the hierarchy and the naming convention. The game starts by a department head who decides to roll out a new experience and evolution in the organization. This can be done by registering a new organization in HUBNSUB. The person who registers the organization in HUBNSUB is called the org head, and so he will have the highest privileges in the system. Registering a new organization and starting the first hub and services takes less than 10 minutes as per these steps. We'll see a complete tutorial on this in the coming videos, but before that, we need to know how things are named and organized in HUBNSUB. After we register the organization, we can build our startup hierarchy in that organization. The organization consists of hubs, which can be any department in the organization. In the example here, we can see two hubs with their subdivisions and services, the IT and HR. Next to the hubs in the hierarchy are subs. Subs are the subdivisions of the hubs for easier management and control. They are the departments of the new created startup. Inside the subs are the services. Any activities related to its own hub or sub are called services. These services are the products of your startup and are the gears and components of your services catalog. Now, to understand the roles in HUBNSUB, we start with the org head. The organization head is the person who creates the account and registers the organization on HUBNSUB. He has the ability to invite people to the organization and assign business roles to them. Next comes the hub head. As a hub head, I can define subs and create services and assign requests to the service team. So, if I'm the head of HR, I can register a hub and call it the HR hub. And my role then will be the hub head of that HR hub. Here, I can build the structure of my startup by creating the subdivisions of the HR hub. Then, I can create the services that each divisions or sub will be delivering to his customers. Next is the subhead. Subs basically are bundles of services. So, as a subhead, he can manage the bundle of service of his sub and the services inside it. He can also assign service teams to different services in the hub. Also, he can assign requests to himself if required. The service members are the service team in the hub. They can be assigned to execute requests, or they can take requests themselves from the bucket, as we'll see in the coming videos. Next are the requests. Requests are the application made by the internal customers to carry out certain services. So, if I need to attend a course, for example, I need to go to the hub and L&D sub, then to the book new course service, and then create the request for that service. Finally, the org members are the internal customers in the organization. They can request services from any of the available services in the organization's services catalog. In the next video, we'll see what we will get out of the box after registering and creating our first hub.